Don't throw away that flat kombucha, because in this video, I'm going to show you 3 steps on how to turn flat kombucha into fizzy kombucha. My name is Liz, and on this channel, I like to help people learn more about kombucha. Before we begin, I just want to say, if you're not a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell. That way you're notified when I make more videos just like this. The second thing I wanted to mention is that the kombucha that you see in this video clip has already been through the full process. It sat in the first ferment 12 days, then it sat in the little bottle for I think 10 days. I'm not really sure. Actually, I think it was closer to 2 weeks. This is what I did to turn flat kombucha into fizzy kombucha. First thing I did is I put the kombucha in a different bottle. The original bottle I used is some old GT's bottle I've had for who knows how long, and it just didn't hold the carbonation well. The cap didn't fit on right, so I don't even know why I used it. So I transferred that to a bottle where I knew the cap fit, which means it's going to hold the carbonation. The second thing I did is that I added more sugar in the form of fruit juice. In this case, I use watermelon juice. And if you want, you can just use a teaspoon of sugar if you don't have any fruit or fruit juice on hand. The third thing I did is that, as you can see, I didn't really leave much room for air at the top of the bottle. So that way, when I put the cap on, what happens is the carbonation will start to build up and build up. Well, it has nowhere to be released. So it's just going to stay in the bottle and get stronger and stronger. And this is what happened when I let it sit on my counter for 10 days. That is some sweet, fizzy booch. And you can do this too. It's really easy. So I have a clip here I want to show you of, I actually recorded this. This is my 3rd time. It's a side view I decided to do of when I opened that same bottle after I let it sit in my fridge for about 3 days. And the reason I mention this is because when you put kombucha in the fridge, even if it doesn't have a SCOBY, if it's already bottled like this, what happens is the fermentation process slows down. And that in turn also kind of calms down the carbonation. But as you can see in this video, the carbonation was still pretty strong. Nope, it didn't. Oh, wait a minute. Well, there it goes. Was not planning on that happening. Made a little bit of a mess. That's okay, it was easy to clean up. But the point being is that the carbonation, the fizz was amazing. And all these steps are really easy. If you're new to kombucha, here's a playlist where I broke down each step of the way. Or if you'd like to learn more about coffee kombucha, then click on the video below it. If you found any value in this video, then please hit the like button. It really helps my channel. And thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.